Hey, welcome back to another episode of After Effects tutorials. So in this episode I'm going to show you how to remove green screen effects in After Effects. So without further ado, let's get started, and don't forget to subscribe to the SDMOVFX channel. Alright, so here we go, and I'm going to be using some footage of Iron Man which I found on the YouTube. You'll just find it on the YouTube and the link in the description, so you can download it or use it. Alright, and the still footage of the New York City. Alright, so let me just start the software. Alright, it's already started, and let me just drag the footage like this. Alright, I'll just drag it. I'll drag this also. There we go, and just drag it to the composition like this. Alright, so let's start working. Alright, then just go to the effects, just type key light, and you can use this one. This one is most preferred one. So this one is just a single effect, and this includes 3 effects, I guess. Yep, 3 effects. So just drag it to the footage. There we go, 1, 2 and 3. Alright, so it's here. So just click over here and click on this eye picker and click over the green screen like this, and the green screen is removed. Alright, so as you can see over here, the alpha is here, so we just need to work over here to get these spells and all. Alright, so we just need to go to the screen mat and just click over here and click on the screen mat. So you'll get to know the white one is that the part of that green screen you need, and the black one is the alpha like this. If you click over here to the final result, you'll get to see the alpha. Alright, so just go back to the screen mat and just increase, and I mean this one need to be decreased and this one need to be a little bit increased, as you can see over here. Alright, just go back to the final, and it's almost good. Green is removed, but still there's some haziness and all, still there's some. Alright, so we just need to turn on this and click on the ultra. Alright, still need to work. Alright, so I'll just go to here. You can just set like this, click on the intermediate result, and it's almost perfect. Alright, so let's just work with the background footage. I'll just drag it to the bar and I'll just transform it to fit to comp. Alright, it's almost done. So let me just go back to the effects of the key light, and you can just set the screen balance to match the perfect. So you can just go to the screen softness and just give it like 0.5, and to shrink you can shrink it, the light wrap or whatever you want to say, or you can just raise it down. Alright, so that's the easiest way to work with the chroma footage. And let's check the preview. I'll just take it to the half, so it will work flawlessly like this. There we go. Alright, so the green screen is removed. So that's all for this video. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I'll see you on the next episode. Alright, so take care and peace.